BLTs here at the Young's house, and I am so excited. Who doesn't love a BLT? You do. I'm going to show you how I make them. So much fun. My family wanted BLTs, and I am all happy because I go all out when I make a BLT. I mean, I load the bacon on. And for the people that don't eat the pork, no worries. You can use a beef bacon if you can find it, and you can always use a turkey bacon. Here's what you're going to need. I may use some cheese on mine, okay? So whatever cheese you use, what kind you love. I'm going to use yellow American if I do. I got some beautiful honey wheat bread that I love to use. I have some butter, and I have some eggs, because eggs is going on this sandwich for sure. I got some lovely smoked bacon, and I have some fresh iceberg lettuce and a beautiful tomato. Make sure your hands are clean. BLTs are on. Go ahead and get our bacon right into the pan. Today I'm frying it. It's been a long time since I've fried bacon in a frying pan, because usually I'll take my bacon, put it in the oven, and then just walk away and let the oven do it, right? But here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it in the frying pan. I want a nice crispy bacon. How do you guys like your bacon? Like, there's some people that like it, I guess people are eating bacon like medium, where they don't want it fully crispy. I want mine to be crispy, golden brown, crunchy. And that's what we're gonna do. If you wanna put some pepper on here, yes, you can. Bacon is cooking behind me. Let's go ahead and put some eggs into the pan, and I got about 3 tablespoons of butter here. Yes, I'm gonna fry these eggs. There's nothing like a BLT with a fried egg in the middle. How would you want your egg? I want to know, I want to hear from everybody. Because my husband, sometimes he likes sunny side up, over easy, or fried. I think I'm gonna fry them hard today. I do want to break up the yolk so that every part of this fried egg has that yolk on it. Oh yeah. Let's go ahead and season up our eggs to give them some good flavor. I'm gonna go in with some salt, and I always like to tell everybody, you know, if you're that person, you can't use salt, just leave it out. Promise it'll be okay, right? I like to put a little bit of paprika on. It's not smoked paprika. It's just regular, and see what it does to the egg? It makes the egg gorgeous, okay? And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some dried parsley flakes, and now look at how gorgeous it is. I'm gonna try my very best not to have any brown onto the eggs. I'm not a fan of brown on my eggs. So I'm gonna be mindful of really not walking away from this pan and paying it some close attention. Bacon is frying up. The whole house smells absolutely amazing. Keeping an eye on the eggs, but you have to have tomato on your BLT. Oh my goodness. Don't cut it too thick. Too thick, you kind of mess it up, right? Not too thin either, just kind of in between. Oh, lovely. And you're gonna salt these tomatoes to really bring out a nice bright flavor. Absolutely. And now let's find the most beautiful pieces of lettuce. I have already taken off some pieces that I didn't really want. I don't know about you all, but I love iceberg lettuce. Iceberg lettuce is going to give you that crunch, that crispiness, that freshness that everyone loves. Sometimes you have to, you know, take some of those hard pieces that's right here off. Oh yeah, this is looking great. I'm going to set it right over here with my beautiful tomatoes. Go ahead and turn these beautiful eggs right over. Oh yeah, those look gorgeous. Go ahead and check in on this beautiful bacon. I'm looking for a nice golden brown color. Of course, we're not there, but we're going to keep cooking it. We're not going to rush it, just like so. Let's go ahead and put our cheese right onto the egg. If you choose, I choose. All right, so now, question of the day is, are you toasting your bread? Absolutely, we're toasting it today, and I don't put butter on it. I don't feel there's a need to put butter on it. You know, we've already cooked the egg in some butter. Your bacon has some lovely bacon grease that will, of course, soak into your bread. So there's really no need to butter it. But you can if you want to, you know. But I'm going to go ahead and get these pieces nice and toasted up. Our bacon's almost done. Make our BLTs. And for me and my family, we like mayonnaise on ours. So I'm going to put some Kewpie mayo on there. Yes, we are. So we're going to cover it, the bottom piece, you know, with that nice fresh iceberg lettuce. Oh, yeah. And always, always, always put your tomato in the middle. The purpose for putting the tomato in the middle so it doesn't make your bread soggy, right? Nobody wants soggy bread or soggy buns. I don't. All right, so now here, look at that. I salt and peppered those tomatoes. And I reheated the egg up with that lovely cheese on it. Oh my goodness. Let's put the bacon on first. I'm all excited. Pile the bacon on like you are absolutely wild. Let's get this egg on here. Oh, yes. Oh my goodness, somebody's waiting with anticipation. Is your mouth watering? Is your stomach rumbling? If so, I don't blame you. It should be. Make you one. You're gonna love. Ooh, the mayo. We will not forget that mayo. I'll be right back. Oh, there you go. And there you have it. A BLT, Gina Young style. Take a look at this. I know. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you ain't subscribed, what you waiting on? Tell your family and friends, tell the world what Gina's doing every single day in this kitchen. And Father, on today, we thank you for this meal, your hedge of protection and your mighty love. Amen. Amen. And once again, to my prayer, stay tuned. You're going to taste this. Take a bite.